I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canvas Nazu art. We'll cover an easy method perfect for beginners. First, gather your supplies: a canvas, acrylic paints in vibrant colors, and a few brushes of varying sizes. You'll also need a palette, water, and paper towels. A small 8 by 10-inch canvas is ideal for starting. Prepare your workspace to keep things tidy and protect surfaces from paint. Now let's prepare our canvas. Begin by applying a thin, even layer of gesso across the entire surface. This primer helps the paint adhere better and creates a smooth finish. Let the gesso dry thoroughly for about 20 minutes. Once dry, choose a base color, perhaps a rich indigo or a deep midnight blue, and paint the entire canvas. This sets the mood for your Nazu art. With your base color dry, it's time for the distinctive Nazu details. Using a fine-tipped brush, carefully paint swirling, organic patterns. Think of flowing lines and interconnected shapes. Introduce contrasting colors like shimmering gold, bright silver, or vibrant turquoise to make your design stand out. Add small, precise dots and short, delicate lines to fill in spaces and create intricate textures, giving it that authentic Nazu feel. Finally, let's finish and protect your beautiful Nazu artwork. Ensure all the paint layers are completely dry. This might take several hours depending on paint thickness. Once dry, apply 2 thin, even coats of clear acrylic varnish. This protects your art from dust and UV damage, preserving its vibrant colors. Allow each varnish coat to dry fully. Now, your stunning, unique Nazu canvas art is ready to be displayed and admired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.